What's up YouTube? This is the Internet Income Ninja. Thank you so much for stopping by, and in today's brief video I'm going to give you a hard punching way to make money online. But let's start here. Okay? Many people, everybody was affected by the pandemic some way, somehow. Some more than others. And then there are those who are professionals who thought they were on top of the world, and they might have been. You might have been. That's okay. But maybe you lost your job and you don't feel so on top of the world anymore. Maybe your salary got cut and you don't feel so on top of the world anymore. Maybe with those two things mentioned, you started getting things repossessed. The point is, losing your job or not getting as much pay or getting your stuff repossessed didn't take away the skills that you had or the skills that you learned. You still have them, even to this day. Maybe you're a little rusty, but you still have them. And especially if you were certified, you're still certified. So on my screen you can see Upwork, and what I'm giving you is a ray of hope. What's this ray of hope? Well, there are many sites online that allow people to work from home remotely using their skills and talents. Upwork could be seen as a more professional type of setup where people still apply for jobs, they still apply for gigs, they still create resumes and cover letters, they still do interviews. Right? So, let's say you lost your job as a paralegal. Let's type in paralegal. Whoops, I didn't spell that right. I hope it still does the search. Alright, so if you were a paralegal and you were looking for something to get back on your feet. Let's say you don't want to do law anymore, but you still have the skill as a paralegal. Use that skill to find something. Watch this. 421 jobs found. Do you see that? Can you see this? Okay. There's some entry level. If you're an entry level paralegal, there's some intermediate and some expert. Let's look at expert, because everybody who watches this channel is an expert. Okay? Now, disclaimer, if you have no business being in that zone, don't be there. Alright? Alright. Interesting job. Paralegal for law office. Hourly, $3 to $20. Expert. Estimated time more than 6 months. Less than 30 hours per week. Posted 6 days ago. Job tasks will include drafting and responding to discovery, preparing demands, client follow-up, PI claims management, private investigative claims management, litigation support. Clio is preferred. Okay. Pay attention to this. Payment unverified, but they're asking the person is actually the person is located in the United States. All right. Here's another featured job. Create table of contents and authorities for Circuit Court of Appeals brief. Hourly, $25 to $50. Expert level. Estimated time 1 to 3 months. Less than 30 hours per week. Renewed 3 hours ago. See? People are looking for people online to do work, and you could be earning $25 to $50 per hour. And here's what the person wrote. Hello. I have attached a draft of a 22-page U.S. Court of Appeals brief that needs a table of contents and table of authorities added in Word to comply with Federal Rules of Appellate Procedure Rule 32, plus a review of the line spacing, etc. to comply with Rule 32. This has a deadline of October 2nd, which by this time it is September 30th, 2021. 7:53 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's the time I'm recording this video. And so you have 2 days or a day and a half to submit this. The person says, I can provide a copy of the rule and also an example. I would like to find an assistant for future similar projects. Thank you. This person has gotten 5 to 10 proposals. The skills needed: Microsoft Word, proofreading, and of course your paralegal skills that you gain that you cannot lose. Okay? And payment verified, they're willing to spend $200. Actually, this person has spent $200 plus. Okay? Payment is verified. They've gotten 5-star ratings so far. based on 3 feedbacks, and rest assured you can actually use that to search for jobs to get back on your feet. Even if you don't want to continue with this, it's enough to get you on your feet. Case law research, fixed price. Okay, $800 is the budget. I have a divorce case in Florida and I need to find case law to support the outcome we are looking for. Married couple adopted their niece and nephew due to the children's biological father. Wife's brother was killed. As a result, the children received what's this? The children receive Social Security check for each of them from the father. In the divorce, the husband is giving the wife 100% custody of the children. Her family side and the guidelines show child support of $2,000. The children receive $3,000 from Social Security. And of course, you can read the rest. Payment is verified. Again, it's $800 and they want a set outcome and they want information to support any victory within that stated outcome. Fixed price again, $1,500. Now, let's say you are something like I don't know, what's a good skill that people bookkeeper. Huh? Is this making sense? You can be a ninja on the internet and be finding jobs from all over the place. All over the place, man. Expert level. Let's look at expert level. 600 jobs down. It filtered it through to expert level only. This is hourly. This one. This bookkeeper needed for a CPA firm. Urgent. Okay. Posted an hour ago. Solid, growing, and lively, fun Scottsdale CPA firm is seeking a senior bookkeeper to work on multiple clients. We have been in the business for over 17 years and we are ranked top 1% tax strategists in the USA. This would be a long-term opportunity for the right person. We are looking for someone with a fun-loving, flexible, motivated person who is detail-oriented, someone who has a strong work ethic, is confident, comforting in their communication with others, and can work with little supervision. Attention to detail and all that jazz. We are a progressive, computer-savvy CPA firm, so they're up to times with technology. Must be able to use QuickBooks, Excel, must pass background check. As expected, you're working with people's money. Willing to work with people all over the world with different cultures. Excel, Outlook, all that jazz. Long. Read it. Set pay. Actually, no, they said hourly pay. Okay? So, minimum 6 months, 30 plus hours per week. You get the gist. And that's for a bookkeeper. Serious inquiries only. Okay? Payment verified. See that? Hourly $8 to $15 per hour. Executive assistant wants someone to schedule appointments and so forth. Okay, so light bookkeeping, personal executive assistant should be good in Google Suite. Payment verified, so these people pay. They haven't had any issues, and they've spent so far 10,000 plus to date. Let's try something else. Let's look for what's a skill that a lot of people have that may have lost their jobs. Tutor. Let's do math tutor. Alright. Math tutor. And move through these streets like a ninja in these I don't know what rhymes with streets. Let's look at intermediate, like let's say high school. Math tutor, hourly $4 to $15 per hour, more than 6 months. Posted 16 days ago. Hello, I'm in 8th grade, advanced math in algebra. I need a math tutor who is able to help me 5 nights a week, is able to meet with me from 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to 8:30 or 9 p.m. So pretty much an hour. I will need help with homework, studying for tests and quizzes. So $4 to $15 per hour. He wants an hour every night. Or she wants an hour every night for 5 days, 5 nights. So that's $75 if you get the maximum $15 per hour rate. Here's another remote math tutor required hourly $12 to $30 per hour. Intermediate, 1 to 3 months. We're looking for a remote math tutor for a group of freshman university students for calculus and university math. The classes could happen over Zoom or Microsoft Teams for 3 days a week. More information could be communicated over chat. So guys, whatever skill you have that's not a tangible skill, meaning it's not like you're carving sculptures or you're not a law enforcement officer or something like, I was about to say a chef, but I've seen chefs actually coach people online before. Maybe something like a mechanic. You can't do these things on online or on Upwork, but if you have a skill that you can do, even if you weren't a professional, let's say you're just a university student, if you had studied something like engineering, do you know how many skills you have? You did math, you did chemistry, you did physics, you did, what's the other one called? Maybe some electronics course. But each of those subjects is an actual skill that you can come on here and monetize by teaching people or solving people's problems. So like this person who needs a tutor, you could be solving this person's problems through math. Okay, so that was my short video for today. I hope you don't feel stressed out or bummed out that you can't find work, because work is everywhere. Look at this. For the intermediate level for math tutor, we just found 176 jobs, and because of the nature of this site, you can guarantee that most, if not all of them, are remote, meaning you work from home on the computer. You don't need to travel to work or to the classroom to teach. So I hope this has sparked some hope. Okay, and whatever field of study you're in, look it up. You could probably even find someone looking for a lawyer on here. So look it up, go through the jobs, see what floats your boat. And let's look at this real quickly. Let's say I clicked on it. Typically they will ask you to upload or apply for the role. So you can press here, submit a proposal, or you could save the job for later. And sometimes in the body of the job description they will highlight something that they want you to do. Okay, so they might say something like, respond to this question in your application letter. Why is the sky so blue? And the only reason they do that is to weed people out, because there's a lot of people who will come on here and find jobs and just blindly apply and not read the details. And for a lot of employers, that's a way to weed people out. Okay, so look out for those things. For this math tutor job, there were 50 proposals, and the hiring party has interviewed 5 people so far. Okay, the last time the person was online was 15 hours ago. So it's really simple. It's very, very simple. These are some other jobs that the client has asked for. August, they paid $120 for a CPA. Business strategy for NFT website. People are jumping on this NFT train hard. 140. Here's another one. Legal assistance, lawyer. Legal assistance, SBA decline letter on EIDL loan. Fixed price, $92 just to look it over. Okay? PPC account management specialist, $2,160. Alright? So never fear if you felt like you lost a job and the world is ending. Use your skill. You still have the skill, use it to make money. You're just going through different channels that aren't traditional. But guys, let me know what you think. If you appreciate the content I've shared here, hit the subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like, comment, and share. I'll see you guys in the next one. The pandemic isn't over. Continue to stay safe. Eat well, live well, be well. And if you're still scared of going outside, if you have to go to work, build a business online. You could build one here on Upwork, or you could do something simpler that's automated, meaning it runs by itself. Click the first link in the description below. Thank you so much, guys, for the love and support. Let me know where you're watching from. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.